Hi guys, you're welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I make low-cut wig. So we have our wig cap here. I will be wearing my dummy this wig cap. So before that you have to bring out your pin to secure the wig cap on the dummy head. So bring out your needle and the thread just to sew the wig cap down like the way I am sewing it right now. So please, my lovely people, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please go in there and subscribe now, and don't fail to press the like button and share this video to your loved ones if you enjoy watching this video, guys. Okay, so what I will do here, I will have to bring out my scissors to cut the excess lace out of the wig cap, guys. Please, if you're cutting the excess lace, guys, you have to cut it gently so that you will not cut it wrong. Okay, so this is it, guys. So the next thing we have to do here, we have to bring out our expression twisted up here. Then you will now use the pin to secure the head down like so. So you will have to bring out your needle to sew it down like so. Make sure that you sew every part of the hair. Okay, guys. Yes, although I didn't show how the way I sew every part of the hair in this video, because I do this because I don't want this video to be too long. Okay, so please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, subscribe now. Okay, guys, do you want to see more video? Please subscribe, and you know, press the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my video. Okay, guys, so let's go to the sewing, guys. Like the way I am sewing it right now, you have to be sewing it step by step, guys. Yes, I didn't show how I sew all the parts of the wig here, but I just show just few because I don't want the video to be too long. That is why I show just halfway how I sew the wig. So the next thing we have to do, guys, you have to bring out your scissors just to cut it like so, the way I am trimming the hair right now. Then you just have to fill up the up of the, you know, wig, and you use your pin to secure it down like so. Yes, guys, so the front, the back, the sides, you have to secure it down before doing the sewing. Okay, I believe you understand how I hair. So guys, I will be leaving the product name on my description box. Please don't fail to go in there and check it out yourself, okay? So what I do here, I bring out the scissors just to give the hair a good shape, guys. Yeah, so that is why we call it a low cut wig, just to trim the excess hair out of the wig, to make sure that you bring the hair to your taste, like the way I am giving the hair a good shape, you know. Yeah, so guys, yeah, this is the finishing of this hair. Please subscribe now, okay? So that is it, guys. I hope you like this hair. Yeah, so I'm going to be sewing this clip from the side of the ear, you know, and the back. Yeah, just so in case if I want to wear the hair, I will now use that to secure that on my head, okay? So I hope you can see the way I do the sewing. Just look at the hair, guys. Look at the hair, it's so nice. Wow. I can't wait to rock this low cut wig cap, guys. Yeah, this is the finishing, guys. If you enjoy watching this video, please subscribe now. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.